Afternoon, Facebook. This is Walter Lundy back at you with Regional IT Services, www.regionalitservices.com. Professional technology assistance, computer repair, and IT services, affordable domains, email, web hosting, as well as a variety of other technical products and services. Visit our website at www.regionalitservices.com. You can visit our products page at store.regionalitservices.com. I'm here in Micro Center right now. It's not Fry's, but it's also another place that I frequent for parts, supplies, equipment, etc. When you're working in the world of IT, you spend a lot of time in these electronic stores. I wanted to also plug the fact that we are giving away $500 to the next 500 domains that are registered. You will be entered into a drawing, and the winner of that drawing will receive $500. The more domains you register, the more times you will be entered into the drawing. That's not 500 people, that is 500 registrations. So if 5 people register 100 domains, then those 5 people will be entered into the drawing. So I just came back from the airport. I did put in the initial bid, and it is a go. Did the site assessment today. Took a look at the job, make sure all the equipment, make sure what equipment was needed, what we would be replacing it with, what they're running now, hard is set up as far as network drives, make sure we're going to back everything up, that all the data will be safe, and we will start actually doing the upgrade tomorrow. So today was the initial site assessment. Everything is a go. So we'll be working on that tomorrow, and I'll do some live videos when I'm back out of the airport to kind of let you guys see what a day of work is like. Anyways, I just wanted to plug the site again. Y'all make sure y'all share the videos, and if you got any IT issues, make sure you visit us or give us a call. You can find us all over social media, LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. We can be reached anyway. You can reach us by phone. You can use our Yelp Messenger. You can send us a message through Facebook. You can send a message through Instagram. Give us a call. See me out and about. Hey, Walt, holler at me. Anyways, y'all make sure y'all support our company and support our services. Get those domain registered and be eligible to win those $500. Thanks for tuning in. The site again, www.regionalitservices.com. Thank y'all and have a great day.